and the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted the demand for birth control here in the United States. One maker has seen a stunning 50%, that's 50, spike in request for the drug as more women are ordering online. Joining us live to talk about the growing demand and what they are doing to help women get what they need from home is Julie Graves. She is the Assistant Director of Clinical Services with Nurx. Good morning. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you very much for having me. Good
And
morning.
thanks for being here with us this morning. So let's start. I kind of want to know how the pandemic is affecting women's access to birth control in the first place.
Well, women are so strongly affected by the pandemic. So many women work in these essential jobs. The majority of the essential jobs in our country are done by women. And many women, of course, have service industry jobs, and many struggle with low wages and lack of access to health insurance. So we find that the ability to access birth control without having to take time off from work, without having to find childcare, and the ability to do it from an app on your phone actually makes it so much more helpful to busy people and people who don't want to go to the pharmacy or their doctor's office is actually not seeing patients right now. So we're so glad that we can provide that for people.
And what is your company seeing from users at this time?
Well, we find that although we already had lots of patients who loved our services since the COVID-19 outbreak, we've seen, as you mentioned, a huge increase in the number of people requesting birth control, both the pills and also a huge increase in people who want the birth control shot, the Depo-Provera shot, which can now be administered at home, which makes it even more convenient. It's only given every 3 months at home. We're seeing about a 40% increase in requests for emergency contraception. And we really love the idea of all women who are in their reproductive years to have emergency contraception at home and on the ready, just in case, so there's no delay in getting to it. And the other thing we're seeing is a huge increase, 100% increase in the number of people who are asking us for our home test kits for sexually transmitted infections. So that's one that I'm really excited about because as a longtime practicing doctor, I know that it's really difficult for people to go in and talk about sexually transmitted infections with their physician. We mail them a test kit, you do the collection at home, mail it back to us, we send you the results through the app and help you get either get you medication or get you to appropriate in-person treatment.
Well, I think that breaking down the barriers by being able to do these things at home is so huge. How can people get birth control from home if they are interested, or other things that you had already mentioned?
So we're both on the web and in an app, and we have both the iOS and the Android app. So you can go to the App Store and look for Nurx, N-U-R-X, or our website, nurx.com. And it's an easy sign-up process. You go in and we want to know the medical history because we want to be sure that we're prescribing safely. And we want to know your blood pressure if that's possible to get right now because we understand that it may not be easy to go into a pharmacy or grocery store or fire station and get a blood pressure with the need that we have to avoid COVID exposure. But we'll ask a pretty thorough health history, talk with the patients about what birth control methods work best for them, and then work with their insurance if they have it, talk to them about making it very affordable if they don't have insurance, and get it shipped to them in a very discreet package so it's not like anybody knows what you're up to.
Julie,
We
that is
really respect people's
incredible.
privacy, and we think it improves access.
It definitely does, and it's interesting to see how we're getting so creative and helping people in this time of social distancing. So thank you so much for joining us. And for ladies out there in need of some information when it comes to birth control right now, we'll have an article up at coin.com in just a little bit.